Hi guys, it's me Roxy, and oh my god, after the rain from yesterday, so if you can hear around me, there's so much birds in the yard. Oh my god, this is exciting because yep, where we live in the past, there's no bird like this. Like you can barely hear anything. So I'm gonna show you around, and hopefully that you can see all the tiny birds in the trees. The trees are loaded and they're like singing everywhere. So yep, so keep on watching because this is exciting. Yeah, look at that. They were in the yard a while ago. That's why I doing this video. But there's like a flock of birds all over the place. Look, can you see that? Like, this is amazing. Ooh, there's so many of them a while ago in the yard, like literally in the green part of the yard. And that is crazy. I don't know what's going on. There's might something dead somewhere. I don't know, but I cannot smell anything. But those birds are happy birds. I don't know what they are being happy about, but look at this. Look, they're singing everywhere. Like, look, they're going from one direction to another. That is crazy. They're in that tree. I don't know if that tree has fruits in it. Look at that. There's so many of them, and they're hopping from one place to another. They're all over the trees and all over the yard. This is crazy. Oh my god. And you can hear them squawk. And by the way, I'm going to show you all the yard. This is it's so like autumny, like yellow leaves and fine trees everywhere. That's a factory in front of our house. And I don't know what kind of factory that is. But this is the yard after we mowed the yard. And after the very hard rain yesterday. But look at those birds. I was just fascinated by how many birds are in the trees around the house. That is so real. Crazy, crazy, crazy day. But it's a beautiful day. It's a little chilly, but it's not too chilly. I'm still on my pajamas because it's Sunday. What do you think I'm gonna do on Sunday? But yeah, this is fascinating. This is crazy. Oh my god. Like, you can just watch them flying all over the place. That is so cool. Yep, nature is beautiful. So yeah.
Same time.
I know, look.
Yeah,
So many of them, look at that.
What they're doing it.
Jeez.
Probably because we won't leave. That's why they're all taking off because
Look at that.
they won't be on
Woo!
the field unless fucking leave.
See how many there are? Look at that. Jesus Christ. There is so many birds. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bye birds. Thank you for the show. Look at that. Whoo! They're giving me a full blast of show. That's what's going on around the house, and I'm just, I didn't mean to do a video today, but I was upstairs in my room looking down, and the entire yard, like that entire green right there, they are in the yard, on the yard, not even in the trees, on the yard. So that's why I made this video. But after I opened the door, they're all in the trees. But You can still hear them and you can still see them. That is so great. That's amazing. For me, it's like amazing, 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 beautiful, beautiful creatures. They're singing, they're happy. It's a beautiful day, and yeah, that's why I wanted to share it to you guys. But yep, if you like this video and if you like that little crazy day with birds in my yard, please give this a thumbs up. I was just fascinated by the birds. If you like birds and if if you have these in your area, share it to us. And if you love creature, or if you want to say something about what's going on with the birds, tell me in a comment down below. And yes, this is my front yard and it's a great day. So sorry about my outfit, I'm still in my pajamas. And yep, this is a great day. So yep, this is all about this video because I was just fascinated by the birds. And yeah, see you in my next video. I hope you enjoy. Bye.